When you receive your pulse oximeter from Anapulse, it will arrive in a box like this. You'll receive a quick guide and a more detailed instruction manual. You'll also receive a silicone sleeve to protect the pulse oximeter, a carry bag, and a lanyard. Your device will come in a clear bag, and to insert the batteries you just need to push lightly down on the groove and pull towards you. The batteries can be a little confusing as the springs are on the same side, however you just need to follow the plus and minus. When you've done that, you can put your finger in and push the white button, and then pull the pulse oximeter towards you, palm facing up, and wait for your reading. A normal reading is in the quick guide, and just to note that the pulse oximeters do have a clear film on them to protect the screen, but you can just peel it off like that.